first, but it's also an external divine intervention. Call it source code, call it God, whatever term you deem the infinite, ultimate energy, source of it all. And then panentheism postulates now that, that this same external divine intervention, unlike pantheism that postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention, panentheism now posits that an external divine intervention interpenetrates the universe, simultaneously existing outside space and time. So pantheism postulates that the universe is synonymous with an external divine intervention, while panentheism postulates that this external divine intervention that is synonymous with the universe simultaneously exists outside space and time. And then you have, for your pantheism, you have panentheism, and then you have panpsychism, or panpsychism, or panpsychism. Can't pronounce that last term. Can't pronounce that last. The peculiar, obscure